Holy shit. I start filming and all you hear is that. I just filmed the video of me destroying the chair with a pickaxe about 20 minutes ago. And as soon as I stopped filming, it immediately started downpouring. And these very dark and ominous clouds just rolled over the neighborhood. It literally looked like it was nighttime. And I saw a double lightning strike down there. 2 lightning strikes happened at the same time, right next to each other. And I've never seen anything like that before. And the rain was coming down sideways as well, which is always a sign of a really bad storm. But I'm gonna sit out here for a little bit, try to catch some lightning strikes on camera, just because it makes really good content. But yeah, this is what's happening right now. June 27th, horrible storm. June, July, and August are always like the hurricane and thunderstorm season on the East Coast. But yeah, like I said, I'm out here to catch some lightning. It's really hard to catch lightning though, because it's so fast. Literally like the fastest thing in the entire universe. But yeah, awesome. I love thunderstorms. No, this type of weather is amazing. Like, you could do anything inside with this weather. Like, you could play video games, you could sleep, you know. In my opinion, this is the perfect weather. And the wind is really starting to pick up a little bit. Before, it was a lot worse though. It died down a little bit, but it's starting to pick up a little bit again. Oh, wow. Damn, that was loud. Yeah, there have been really bad storms like this since last week. It's currently Monday or Tuesday. It's Tuesday. There has been storms like this since Thursday or Friday of last week. But it just started to get really bad yesterday. There were storms all day. Me, my cousin, and my friend, we tried to make a lightning rod, which didn't work. It would have been cool, but it would have been really dangerous though, because it was right next to the house. So I'm kind of glad it didn't work. But maybe I'll try it again one day, not close to the house. Very dumb idea. You know, I don't recommend making a lightning rod in your backyard, but I guess it would make really good content. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna upload a end of the school year party soon, or like a 4th of July party. My friend got some fireworks, and we're gonna light off some fireworks. It's gonna be really fun. Last year, 4th of July, I got hit by a Roman candle. It hit me right here on the shoulder, and it hurt like hell. Maybe I'll post that video as a short or something, so you guys can see. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to be quiet for a little bit, just film the thunder. Holy shit. Oh wait, no, I have to say one thing. So yesterday, me, my friend, and my cousin, we were lighting off firecrackers in the backyard. We were putting them in an empty Sprite can, and we were lighting them off. And while we were doing that, it was about to start storming like this, like there was thunder in the distance, and my hair started to rise up. And there's like a superstition, like if your hair stands up, you're about to get struck by lightning. So the three of us, we started freaking the hell out. So we ran inside, but yeah, I don't know if that superstition is true. But it was scary though. You know, I don't really want to get struck by lightning, because that's fucking scary. It could either kill you or leave you paralyzed for the rest of your life. I have a feeling there's gonna be some bad floods again. We get horrible floods up here in upstate New York every single year. And in 2021 we got a flood that was horrible. And there was a giant snapping turtle that swam across the floodwater in my backyard, and it freaked the hell out of me. It was a huge snapping turtle too. It was the biggest one I've ever seen. Oh, I got a lightning strike. Maybe that could be the thumbnail. I don't know. It's crazy how fast thunder is. Like, it's so fast that sound can't even keep up with it. That's why the thunder happens after the lightning. I just think that's so interesting. I'm honestly starting to get tired of standing, but oh, I got a second one. I think that's either the second or the third one I've got. I'm just waiting for that really loud clap of thunder that just shakes the house. Okay, I'm glad my camera didn't start filming. I got a notification. I was so scared it was gonna stop filming. Luckily it didn't. We're still rolling. Been filming for 8 minutes. Clouds aren't as dark anymore. They're still a lot brighter on camera than they are in real life. But yeah. The tree frogs are really loud. I wonder if those balloons are gonna fly away. That would be so funny if they do. They seem to be tied on there really tight though. I feel so bad for people when they have to drive in weather like this, because my car, my Scion, oh my god, it's horrible when I drive in weather like this. The other day I lost traction at a stop sign. I lost traction and I almost spun out in second gear, and oh my god, it was scary. Because my car, my Scion, has boost, and I get boost at 4,000 RPM, and I didn't even mean to hit boost. I hit boost in second gear, and I just immediately lost traction and I almost spun out. And oh my god, it was scary. Yeah, boost and wet roads like this do not go well together at all. I think I'm gonna stop filming. If the storm starts to get a little worse, I'll make a part 2. But yeah, that's about it. See ya.